Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if the thumbnail intrigued you and it's your first time here, welcome as well. My name's Richard Sunday and my channel is about exploring the UK, great outdoors, wild camping. Yes mate. So, I already have two drones. I bought a drone early on this year, a Potensic Atom 2, which was my first one. To help me get good content when out on my camps and trips. Unfortunately, I crashed that at a Boffey in the Lake District, and while I was working out how to have that fixed, I went out and bought a Neo 2. Now both drones are great, and now I've fixed the Potensic, I have two good drones. But this video here is about a cheap drone. Let's have a look at this. So folks, as you can probably tell by the title and thumbnail, we are doing a video on a cheap drone bought on AliExpress for the throwaway sum of £10.50, equivalent of $14, super cheap. And while the advert boasts a lot of cool features, we know it's exaggerated and probably nothing more than a novelty toy. So let's ask some questions, charge it up, set it up, fly it and get into it together. Let's go. Okay, let's open her up. This was the original box it came in from China. I've actually had this a few weeks, but I haven't made time to do this unboxing yet. So here we go. First look, we have Drone Mini. That's the box, black box, slightly bashed, but I'm sure the contents will be fine. I'll open this up. So open up the top flap. We have a plastic tray, looks a bit cheap. Okay, that's the box. And this is the tray. So here we go, cheap plastic enclosure that comes off. Straight away we can take out the drone. Yes, it's a mini drone, weighs quite light. Look at those tiny propellers. We'll look at that again in just a minute. What else is in the box? The remote control, that weighs about 5 grams. Oh my days. And some sort of a phone holder to go on the remote control. Yep, that definitely feels like a toy. And in the bottom of the plastic we have propellers, the USB charger, another tool, some random bits. Oh my days, I can't explain how cheap this feels, and it definitely needs 3 batteries in there. I think I have some somewhere. So this is the mini drone. Yep, it definitely feels like a toy. So a few things that the website and the video claim. Screen remote controller, we'll have a look at that soon. One-click takeoff. Ultra long life battery, 150-degree camera, and that is definitely not on a free gimbal. 4K camera, gears for high-speed flight, obstacle avoidance, all-round protection, and stunt roll. So while I have a look at this, I'll come back to you in just one moment. So guys, as I've just said, this weighs a very small amount. I'm just going to weigh it now, see what grammage we have on here. Put the scales on, and the drone with the battery, 69 grams. 69 grams. Okay, so I'm going to take off the battery here as gently as I can. Comes with a USB type charge lead here. Plug that in, and we're going to plug that into the mains and give that a bit of a charge up. Yes, that's a very light drone. It's a mini drone. The controller without the AAAs is 83 grams, and it really does feel cheap and plasticky, but that's what you can expect from a £10.50 drone. I'll be right back, guys. 1 minute. So I'm guessing the first job is to make sure this battery is charged up. So you've got this really old type charge plug which goes into the battery. The battery weighs about 3 grams, and I'm going to plug that in and start this charging now. Let's get that plugged into a USB charge plug. We have that plugged in and we have a red light on the single battery it came with. Amazingly, I found a packet of AAAs that we got on one of our last trips, and I can open it up. Let's get 3 of these into the controller. Oh dear, this does feel terrible. Oh my days. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's giving me a little beep. And let's close that. So the controller has power. How do I turn this off? I don't know. Let's leave that for now. So the battery will probably turn to green when it's charged. So I'm afraid we're going to have to come back to this in a minute. So in the box we have a QR code leaflet which takes you to the app. The app is on a really strange site called adgo.top, and we are going to skip past the cookies there and install this. Right, install. So after about an hour of charging, the red light, it doesn't go green, it just goes off. Okay, so the battery is charged. Normally takes about an hour. I'm going to slide that straight onto the drone. There you go, that's on tight. And we can either fly the drone with the controller or the phone app. So let's go out and have a play. See how it performs. Right folks, now it's time to test and fly this mini drone. I've come out into the back park. It's really bright and hot, so I've had to find myself a shaded area. We're going to start off with the app, flying it on the phone so we can save some footage, and let's see how it performs. So one touch takeoff via the app. Just press that and it's up. Now the controller here has the haptics, so it's the controller on the actual phone screen. So you can do your usual up, down, right, left. by using the touchscreen controller. So I've had about 10 minutes of flying time and the battery's flat already. So that needs another charge before we continue the test. Unbelievable. And you thought the Neo 2 was bad. In a bit. Right, so the battery's had another charge. Let's give this another go. So as I've said, it's hot again, I'm outside on charge 2, but it's not great. The controller, it goes up high and then it gets stuck in the air because the forward, it doesn't work. It's very light, so the tiniest bit of wind will blow it all over the place. Let's see what we can do here. It's off again. Drift. Seriously? Yeah, so the verdict is it's absolute in wind. It's light, it's okay for a toy. I mean, you wouldn't buy this for any type of good filming or... Yeah, it's no good at all. Let's see if I can control it some more. So folks, I've had to cut the video short because, yeah, the GT3 or whatever it's called is just a toy. The lie on the advert about the HD camera, it's not, it's utter toss. The video is utter toss. The flying is weak. It's not got strong thrust, so just fart outside, it's going to get lost in the ether. The 150-degree camera just goes up and down from the controller, but I didn't have much luck with that. The gears and speed, didn't really explore that because I only had 5 minutes to fly it after that charge, which is ridiculous. Obstacle avoidance, that didn't really work. Although it's really good all-round protection. It bounces off the walls, fine for flying in the house. This will not get broken in the house, but it may get lost outside the house. Stunt roll was quite cool. Not sure if that was on the video, but guys, it's just a toy. If you want to spend £10 and 50 pence on that, it's okay, but don't waste your cash if you're planning to buy a proper expensive drone like a DJI. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it was just for shits, so looking forward to another camp out in the next week. See you on the main channel. See you later, guys. Have a great day.